Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Saumitri Yadav, Assistant Teacher of LPM Public School, Golam Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video class. Students, firstly I will remind you once again that in the previous video lecture we have done the word meaning and some question answer of chapter 2. So students, in this video lecture we are going to discuss the remaining question answer of chapter number 2. So let's start. Firstly students, you will write the CW in your copy and you will also mention the date of today. After that you will do all the question answer which I have taught you today. Okay students, let's start. Firstly we will discuss the question number 1. What is the question number 1? Question number 1 is, go down the hill road. If you see fire burning in a house, go inside and ask for some embers to bring back to the palace. This is the question number 1. Okay. Now the question number A is, who said these words and to whom? Okay. So answer is, the king said these words to his messenger. Students, you have given the first statement. Okay, and from this statement you have given 3 questions. Question number A, B and question number C. And you have to write down all the answers of this question. Now students, question number B is, what made the speaker say these words? What made the speaker say these words? So answer is, everyone in the palace was freezing. This made the speaker say these words. Okay, everyone in the palace में जितने लोग थे they were freezing, वो freeze हो रहे थे, so that's why the speaker say these words. Now the question number C is, what did the listener do next? After the order of king, what did the listener do? क्या किया listener ने? Answer is, the listener went down the hill road to bring embers. Okay, after listening, the messenger went down the hill road. वो hill road से नीचे गया किस लिए? To bring embers. Okay, that was the first question which we had discussed in the previous video lecture. So students, now this is time of question number 2. So what is the question number 2? Question number 2 is, they realized that this was because selfless love had come with the coal from the little girl's cottage. Okay, this is the statement. The statement is, I am repeating again. Statement is, they realized that this was because selfless love had come with the coal from the little girl's cottage. This is a statement which has been taken from your chapter. Okay, ये chapter से ली गई है and you have given 3 questions. Question number A, question number B and also the question number C. Okay, by this statement you have given 3 questions and you have to write down the question number A, question number B and question number C in your CW copy. So let's discuss about the question number A. Question number A is, who are they in the above lines? Students, you can see they word. You can see they word in the above lines and you have to write down the answer. Who are they? They कौन थे इन द above lines? ये दे वर्ड जो है वो किनको रेफर किया गया है? वी हैव टू राइट डाउन द आंसर। ये दे वर्ड किसके लिए बोला गया है? सो द आंसर इज दे आर द पीपल ऑफ पैलेस इन द above लाइन्स। दे आर द पीपल ऑफ पैलेस। उस पैलेस के जो लोग हैं उनके लिए हमने दे वर्ड का यूज़ किया है। दे आर द पीपल ऑफ द पैलेस इन द above लाइन्स। ओके, जो पैलेस के लोग हैं ओके उनके लिए ये वर्ड यूज़ किया गया है दे। ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर बी इज what does selfless love refer to? Students, you have to write down the answer. What does selfless love? What is selfless love? When we help others without any condition, without any selfishness. Okay, जब हम किसी की बिना किसी स्वार्थ के हम हेल्प करते हैं, that is called selfless. So what does selfless love refer to? किसे रेफर करता है? So the answer is selfless love refers to the help other selflessly. Okay, selfless love refers to the help others selflessly. बिना किसी selfless के, बिना किसी selfless के जब हम किसी के help करते हैं तो that is called the selfless love. Now the question number C is who had shown selfless love and how? Who had shown selfless love and how? किसने दिखाया था? The little girl had shown selfless love. कैसे? How? By giving embers to the messenger without any condition. Okay. Who had shown selfless love? The little girl had shown selfless love. Who had shown? The little girl had shown selfless love. And how? By giving some embers to the messenger without any condition. So these were the question number A, B and C which was taken from the question number 2. Okay, जो question number 2 से लिया गया था. And now we are repeating the question number 2. Question number 2 is they realized that, उन्हें ये realize हो गया था कि this was because of selfless love, कि ये selfless love है जो उसके साथ आया था. come with the coal, वो love उस कोल के साथ आया था. किसके घर से? फ्रॉम द लिटिल गर्ल्स कॉटेज. ओके, लिटिल गर्ल के कॉटेज से जो सेल्फलेस लव है उसके कोल के साथ आया था. इसकी वजह से जो है वो उस पैलेस की फायर जो है दोबारा बर्न होना स्टार्ट हो गई थी. तो इट हैपन्स ड्यू टू द सेल्फलेस लव ऑफ लिटिल गर्ल. सो दी क्वेश्चंस आर हु आर दे इन द अबव लाइन्स? आंसर इज दे आर द पीपल ऑफ पैलेस इन द above lines. Now the second question, what does selfless love refer to? Selfless love refers to the help others selflessly. Now question number C, who had shown selfless love and how? किसने जो है selfless love दिखाया था and how और कैसे? The little girl had shown selfless love by giving embers to the messenger without any condition. Okay, the little girl had shown selfless love and how? By giving embers to the messenger without any conditions. Friends, I have told you in the story that there were 3 persons. First one is old man, second one is woman and third one is little girl. Old man and women had also given him some embers, but both had condition. इन दोनों की कंडीशन थी. That's why the embers which the messenger had taken from these houses, it turned into ashes. Okay, वो ash में बदल गई थी and he had to throw it down. Okay, इसे फेंकना पड़ा, threw it away, उसे फेंकना पड़ा था. But when he took embers from the little girl's cottage, there was no any condition of little girl. लिटिल गर्ल की कोई भी कंडीशन नहीं थी. इसी वजह से जो है वो उसका जो उसके सेल्फलेस लव की वजह से उस पैलेस की जो फायर है वो दोबारा बर्न हो जाती है, दोबारा लाइट हो जाती है. ओके, सो दीज वाज द क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट and this was the question number second. Students, we have done the question number A. We have done question number A, and now we will do the question number B. Now students, we will do the question number B. And what is the question number B? Answer these questions. Students, you have given 2 or 3 or 4 questions in your book, and you have to write down the answer in your CW copy. Okay, so first question is, what is the first question? Where was the palace? How was it kept warm? Students, the question is, where was the palace? Palace कहाँ था? And how was it kept warm? और इसे कैसे warm किया गया था? So the answer is, the palace was at the top of a hill. Where was the palace? The palace was at the top of a hill. When we had started reading or discussing the chapter, we had seen on the first page of the chapter. पहले ही पेज पे हमें और फर्स्ट लाइन ही हमने पढ़ाया था कि जो पैलेस था, द पैलेस, देयर वाज अ ह्यूज पैलेस, वो ह्यूज पैलेस था, एंड दैट ह्यूज पैलेस वाज एट द टॉप ऑफ अ हिल. ओके, एंड हाउ वाज इट केप्ट वार्म, और इसे कैसे गर्म रखा गया था? It was kept warm by a burning fire. Okay, I have told you that there was a burning fire and it was kept burning. Okay, इसे हमेशा जो है वो जलाए रखा गया था, so that they can kept the whole palace warm, ताकि पूरा पैलेस जो है वो गर्म हो रह सके. Okay, so the answer is, the palace was at the top of a hill, Hill, hill. It was kept warm by a burning fire, Burning, Burning. It was kept warm by a burning fire. Now students, what is the question number 2? Question number 2 is, what reasons did the people give for the फायर डाइंग आउट? ओके, वॉट रीज़न डिड द पीपल गिव, ऐसे कौन कौन से रीज़न थे जो लोगों ने दिए थे जो फायर डाइंग आउट हुई थी? मीन्स जो फायर जो है स्टॉप बर्न. ओके, जो जलना बंद हो गई थी, वो स्टॉप हो गई थी, उसके लिए लोगों ने क्या क्या रीजंस दिए थे? ओके, आई हैव टोल्ड यू, आई हैव टॉट यू, मैंने आपको पढ़ाया है, एंड यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर. स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल डू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2nd, 3rd and 4th in the next video lecture. Okay, we will discuss it in our next video lecture. I request you all to watch all the live classes regularly, so that you can write down all the answers, ताकि आप लोग सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर राइट कर सकें और कोई भी क्वेश्चन आपका लीव ना हो. ओके, and we have also shared some videos on YouTube. You will watch all the YouTube videos and you will complete your exercises and your CW copy. Okay, and now it's time of homework. What is the homework? Students, your homework is, you have to write down all the answer, question number A, and also the question number B. Question number A and question number B, you will write down all the question number A and B in your फेयर कॉपी. आप पहले CW में करने इस CW में अगर कंप्लीट हो जाता है, इसके बाद आप इसे फेयर कॉपी में राइट करेंगे. यू विल राइट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 and all the question number A, B, C, you will write question number 2nd. Okay, and you will also write the question number A, question number A, B and C, and the last question you will write the question number B. Okay, you will write all the question answer in your फेयर कॉपी. आप फेयर कॉपी में सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर को राइट करेंगे, एंड आफ्टर राइटिंग यू विल लर्न ऑल द क्वेश्चंस आर टू ईजी, you can easily understand it, you can easily learn it. Okay, so that's it for today students. We will meet tomorrow with a new video lecture. Till then you will write all the question and you will also learn all the question answer. Goodbye everyone.